Hello friends, welcome to our Gemstone Deal channel. Today topic is best stones for good luck. Here are 11 gemstones that bestow good luck, transforming your life. Everybody in this world wishes to get some big chance. All things considered, in current times, life has turned into a ceaseless battle, and it might seem like nothing you attempt works. Assuming that you have taken a shot at a specific endeavor and fizzled, you realize how crippling this feels can be, and in the event that you move to something else, despite everything make no progress, life turns out to be seriously disappointing. Since the earliest human progress, man has had a go at looking for an answer for misfortune in nature, and one of the areas of center has been gemstones. For a really long time, individuals have accepted that specific regular materials have the ability to create great energy and karma. Assuming that you generally feel in a tough situation, the time has come to return to nature and track down an answer in gemstones. These gemstones look great as well as gives you certain energy, which is an extraordinary determinant of your progress throughout everyday life. Peruse on and figure out additional about these best of luck pearls. Number 1. Peridot. This is known as the cash stone understandably. The gemstone explains your psyche while pondering riches, empowers your mind to settle on the best decisions. This stone increments self-discipline, prosperity, and imperativeness. In the event that you are after amazing good fortune in your money-making exercises, the time has come to begin wearing peridot adornments. Number 2. Pyrite. This regular pearl resembles gold and it has come to represent cash, thriving and best of luck. Its transmitting looks mirror those of the sun, and it interfaces you to the reviving energies of the sun. By wearing pyrite adornments, you will build the force of the third sun-based chakra and imperativeness. When in touch with your skin, the stone gives a pizzazz, which is significant while simply deciding. Number 3. Amethyst. This is one of the most famous precious stones for making elective gems. In any case, you probably won't have the foggiest idea about that for quite a while. Individuals in regions where the stone begins have generally connected it with best of luck. This jewel gets amicability and re-establishes harmony the hardest of circumstances. By associating your instinct and inward voice, the stone lifts your dynamic interaction and motivates you to continue on with imperativeness. Number 4. Citrine. This famous gemstone is well known among the individuals who have faith in the force of normal materials. It is the stone of thriving, riches, security and best of luck. It is accepted that citrine gets terrible things far from your life and focuses light into the hardest of circumstances. Number 5. Tiger's Eye. On the off chance that you have generally asked why individuals wear tiger's eye gems, the time has come to make a revelation. This is among the most well-known karma charms and it works. The lines on the gemstone show the numerous ways you can follow to progress. It wakes you up to the numerous open doors that have large amounts of your life. Number 6. Blue Kyanite. This is a stone of lucidity and correspondence. In our current reality where valuable open doors expect you to take a quick action, kyanite adornments is what you really want to communicate your cravings. It gives you that inspiration and energy to complete your fantasies. It is a steady suggestion to the wearer to become emphatic in each situation. You will end up continuously praising the choices you have made. Number 7. Agate. While discussing lucky trinkets in the gems market, agate always comes up in the conversation. It is one of the most remarkable karma stones out there with its power coming from various quartz minerals that make it. This stone aids balance energies and simultaneously draw in amazing good fortune in your life, particularly in your accounts. Number 8. Labradorite. This stone has a standing in the realm of wizardry because of its capacity to change a singular's life. It supports fearlessness and innovativeness to direct your life in the ideal bearing. Labradorite safeguards you from terrible decisions throughout everyday life and reinforces your determination. Number 9. Sapphire. A great many people do not understand that sapphires offer something beyond magnificence to the proprietor. The stone touches off the influence to draw in wealth and recuperates lost riches. It is an insight stone that will assist you with settling on the ideal decisions throughout everyday life. This lovely gem can effectively mix into your gemstone precious stone earrings to promise you look great and fortunate. Assuming you have found every one of your choices have terrible results, the time has come to put resources into sapphire gems and wear it all through to settle on better choices. Number 10. Aventurine. Speculators have worshipped this best of luck stone for a long time. It is the stone of chance, and on the off chance that you really want best of luck with your independent direction, you want to purchase this gems and change your life. It is one of the most impressive best of luck gemstones for wealth. No wonder such countless individuals wear it today. Number 11. Carnelian. This is a force to be reckoned with for progress and one of the most fortunate four-leaf clovers known to people. Not exclusively is this gemstone wonderful, yet it additionally brings boldness, energy and innovativeness to any individual who wears it. Assuming you generally have dread settling on choices throughout everyday life, it is an ideal opportunity to put resources into carnelian gems and change your life. Other best of luck gemstones worth focusing on incorporate malachite stone, aura spirit quartz, celestine gems, garnet, clear quartz, amber gems, dark tourmaline and ruby crystals. These stones support uplifting tones to you to assist with improving your independent direction and make you bolder in getting open doors. On the off chance that you have been feeling in a tight spot recently, the time has come to get your score back by wearing these best of luck gemstones. Thanks for your time. Keep watching our videos.